Oh, this one looks cool. Orange float.
Oh, so it's just like the lightsaber, but the lightsaber's orange and it's floating.
Yeah, pretty much.
Ooh.
Whoa, how was that one?
That was super cool.
Epic. Wow, let's try one more thing. So guys, this year's New Year's Eve is a little bit different. We're not gonna just do fireworks only. We're also gonna test out the Kyber crystals on lightsaber.
Whoa, Kyber crystals. They're gonna change my lightsaber color.
Welcome to Ryan's Family Review.
Hey guys, Happy New Year.
Woohoo! Bye bye 2019. Hello 2020. Wow! Woo! All right, let's pop some fireworks.
Woohoo! Whoa. Okay guys, we're outside and Daddy's doing the fireworks. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right, guys, the fireworks is gonna be this one, the biggest one in the package. Woo!
Oh.
It's a gold star. All right, let's go. Get the fuse. All right, just watch out.
Woo! Happy New Year!
So guys, this year's New Year's Eve is a little bit different. We're not gonna just do fireworks only. We're also gonna test out the Kyber crystals on lightsaber.
Whoa, Kyber crystals. They're gonna change my lightsaber color.
This one probably green. This one, I don't know, white. I never seen white lightsaber.
Right?
And yellow. All right, let's test it out.
First, I want to test out the yellow one.
All right, Ryan chose yellow.
Because I've never seen yellow before.
Are you worthy?
Wow.
This is a special crystal only chosen Jedi can use. Are you chosen one? Whoa, 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 whoa. What's that color? Are you on the dark side? It's pretty dark outside, so maybe you're on the dark side.
Right.
No, I stole their lightsaber.
Oh, are you with the dark force like Kylo Ren?
No.
Oh.
Poopy force.
All right, let's open this. Yellow Kyber crystal. Whoa, look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Oh,
Oh,
crystal.
Daddy.
All right, so here's what we're gonna do. So first, have you seen opening a lightsaber before?
I have.
Alright, let's open this up. And you see this crystal inside.
The red one.
So right now we have a red one. That's why you see a red lightsaber beam. Take that one out. Put the yellow one. Oh, oh, oh. A seal. Hear that sound?
Okay, let's test it out. 3, 2,
Watch out.
1.
Whoa! This is yellow! Look at that color! Ooh. Looks like a Mountain Dew.
Right, does.
No, it's not Mountain Dew. Wow, this is cool.
Let's fight.
Oh, what? Lightsaber versus just bare hand? Okay.
Now my hands can regenerate really fast.
Zoom, 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 zoom. Alright guys, so let's do more fireworks and then we can come back to the next lightsaber color, right? Next fireworks will be...
Light magic.
Ooh. Ready. Let's fire it up.
Whoa! What'd you guys think?
That was cool.
That was cool.
You like it?
Yeah, it was
I'm
loud.
defending myself now.
Oh, this one looks cool. Orange float.
Oh, so it's just like the lightsaber, but the lightsaber's orange and it's floating.
Yeah, pretty much.
Ooh.
Come on, get away, get away.
Oh, that's pretty. beautiful. Woo! Happy New Year! Whoa! Whoa, how was that one?
That was super cool.
Epic. Well, let's try one more thing.
Whoa!
Super short.
What was that? Something fell. Oh,
What?
something fell off. Right?
Oh my gosh, I think somebody did fireworks and it fell right there.
Whoa, whoa. That was
That's
really
scary.
Whoa.
Cool. Alright.
Alright guys, we're gonna try another one. Let's see what this box does. Whoa. Beautiful Happy New Year.
Whoa!
That was the best one.
Yeah.
Alright, so guys, I'm gonna put this white crystal. Let's see. Oh. Is it gonna work?
You're not worthy.
Oh no, it's not lighting up. Oh. It's gonna work, let's see. I'm nervous. Never seen white lightsaber before, so it's gonna work. Well, it's just a myth.
I want to try it.
Oh, shit, so it's registering. Alright, Ryan, you ready to try the legendary white lightsaber? Whoa.
Okay, I'm gonna try for the first time. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! It is really white.
Wait,
See
whose
the
team
light?
is this on? Is this like neutral?
Yeah.
So any of them can use it? Whoa.
So cool.
Chow, chow, chow.
I think it's almighty because if you mix all different lights, different color lights, it becomes white.
Yep.
This is it. This is the almighty color.
Chow,
Whoa,
chow.
Whoa, be careful, Ryan.
Chow, chow. Thank you for watching this video. Happy New Year's. Remember, always stay happy and rise up. Bye.
Bye.
Chow, chow, chow.